DM, APC, ACM kanye ne-ANC asezokwazi ukubhalisela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo. Lamaqembu ehluleka ukuhlangabezana nomnqamlajuqu wokuthumela uhlu lwabantu abazomela okhethweni ku-i-IEC ngenxa yezizathu ezithile. I-i-IEC ithi inkantolo yomthethosisekelo iyayivumela ukuthi iguqule izinsuku zokubhalisela ukhetho.
This includes the need to set a new deadline for the candidate nominations, and the scheme of the Municipal Electoral Act is that the voter registration deadline is intended to precede the candidate nomination deadline.
Iqembu elibusayo nelehlulekile ukubhalisa komasipala abangama-93 lisemukele lesi sinqumo.
The ANC therefore further welcomes the decision to reopen candidate registration on 20th and 21 September. We believe this is in line with constitutional and legislative prescripts.
Kepha amaqembu aphikisayo asabisa ngokuthi azosiphosela inselelo.
As of today, we've met with our legal team to find out exactly what legal challenge we can have so that we can challenge the IEC's interpretation of the Court's ruling.
They are a compromised institution because the calendar and everything else that was discussed today, it was already on me on social media all over the weekend, and they agreed that it was leaked from their own office. So they are a compromised institution.
The legal injunctions which are at play here certainly do not allow for the IEC to make these changes.
I-IEC ithi ukuphonsela inselelo lesi sinqumo akunabo ubulungiswa njengoba amaqembu amaningi ezombusazwe abephakamisa ukuthi kuphindwe kuvulwe kabusha isikhathi sokubhalisa futhi ixoxisane nabameli ngalolu daba.
The decision that the Commission has made has been carefully considered, and the Commission has taken necessary advice on the matter. So it's not a decision that was taken recklessly.
Ukubhalisela ukuvota ngokukhethekile kuzovulwa mhla zingama-20 kuMandulo kuvalwe mhla zine kuMfumfu. Ikhomishana iyiphikile insolo ezithi ayenzanga kahle ukulungiselela lolu khetho yathi yenze konke okusemandleni.